Now, as you have seen right there, that is Ringtone Apoko together with his lawyer arriving at Kibera Law Courts, for his case with one and only Robert Alai. And I know many of us thought that this case was already done and dusted, but as you've seen right there, the case is still on. So we'll have to wait and see what will be going on inside, and immediately we learn or we get to record from inside, well, guess what, we will share the clips with you guys. And so up until then, that is what's up. See you then.